Presenting the 2008 Nissan Altima. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a sunroof, an alarm system, keyless entry, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel controls, push-button start, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, cruise control, a trip computer, child restraint seats. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.